what is cell delay? How we will calculate that cell delay?
Cell delay is the amount of delay from input to output of a logic gate.
Okay,
It is calculated based on
that is what how we will calculate.
input slow and output load of a cell.
Input skew and output load. Yes, and when correct. I'm going for the next question. What is skew? How we will calculate the skew margin? What is skew? How to calculate skew margin?
Skew is the amount of the difference between the clock delay for launch flip flop and captain flip flop.
Yeah, I was saying timing difference between clock reaching between two sequential elements, right?
Yes.
How we will calculate that margin? This much should be there. Skew margin should be uh, this much some value. How we will calculate it?
Through the setup and hold timing.
How? Skew is not related to setup and hold. Skew is different. Uh, and what are the parameters we will consider while calculating the skew margin? Anyone can answer.
Margin means actually difference, right? So the time, the difference between the output and the difference and the input given, like how much delay after which the output is coming. So based on that, we can calculate the margin from edge to edge for a particular pulse.
No, I'm talking about skew, only skew. How we will calculate it? Guys, anyone can answer. How we will calculate the skew margin? Okay, I'm going to ask you next question. What are all the checks you do before proceeding with the design? Are you guys able to listen me right? What are all the
Can
checks
you repeat
you
again?
do before proceeding design? Yeah. What are all the checks you do before proceeding with the design?
In which stage?
In initial stage. From next initial stage is after synthesis.
How to do, right? Library checks.
Library check. Oh, what it will do exactly?
Library checks and because if any cell is missing power and gone informations, if any cell is missing pin information, duplicate
What
cells, that kind of information will be there in library checks.
And lib versus lab, whether all the
okay.
cells present in lib and it should be present in left. Mismatch in lib and left.
That is what it should contain. I mean, what it should contain. You said lib and left. What exactly?
No, it's not containing. It's
What
like
exactly
a
it should
cell.
contain?
Not containing. It's about a cell. Like
It's
the
like a
cells
cell.
present in lib.
Okay.
The cells present in lib, it should be present in left also. Like there might be mismatch in cell names or like anything. Like you can use different lib and different cell. There might be chances of doing so. Like we find errors. Like we get errors.
Yeah, that is what kind of error?
Cell like mismatch, like lib and left.
Any
sanity
floating
missing.
input, floating output, something like that?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, like lib versus left. When
Yeah,
we
go ahead.
compare lib versus, when we compare lib versus left, hello.
Yeah.
We get a sanity check error.
Yeah. Okay.
Check design.
I will check design. Okay, fine. I am going for the next question. Why did you check timing in initial stage? Why did you check timing in the initial stage?
Actually, we won't check the timing in the initial stage. Like we don't have the proper clock. Clock is ideal. So the thing is, we do one flow flush, so that we can get the idea like how our setup and setup and whole margin is going to end up like this, and what are the challenges we can face. We can get the idea. That is the reason we check the flow flush, the timing analysis we do as a part of flow flush.
Yeah, that is what. Why you are checking that timing? You will check in the synthesis stage, right? Timing.
Yeah, but in synthesis, we don't check physically. Like the connection between two cells will be zero. There will be no resistance or no delay because we don't give left in synthesis. Okay, like when it comes to physical design, we check timing because it should satisfy for ideal clock, because in ideal clock we don't have issues like skew, slew, jitter, everything. So that if it satisfies ideal, so that we might move for, like we might clean the upcoming issues. If it is not satisfying, we might think we have to think.
Yeah. Okay, fine. If the timing path is clean in the synthesis stage, but it is ovulating in stage by 500 PS. What could be the reason?
Because of logic depth will be more in logic depth will there may be more in synthesis.
Yeah, like in synthesis, there addition
Before
of
it was
buffer will
not
be
what?
done. Like
Depth of logic, thread durage is more. Then there may be a chance of violations, right?
You are telling depth of logic will be more in PNR, less in synthesis.
No, if
No,
it
no.
is more means, if it is more in Genesis means we will get violation. I am telling like that.
No, actually, what his question was
What
like,
is what is logic depth? My question is something like, if the timing is clean in synthesis, but it is violating in PNR stage by 500 PS, what could be the reason?
the reason is like the distance between the two flops might be too far. Like uh, in synthesis, the cell location is not present. Like we don't get any cell location info or anything. But when it comes to PD, randomly tries to place, like without any taking consideration of area congestion or any congestions. Just in initial stage, it places randomly the cells. When you try to get a timing between two cells, one flop may be sitting at left up corner, another flop may be sitting at a right down corner, so that we might face timing because of RC and everything.
Yeah, correct. What all did you do in floor plan stage? Hi guys, are you able to hear me right?
Yes.
What all you people do in floor plan stage?
Yeah, first we need to think about utilization and shape of our block. After that, we need to place network based on guideline.
You will do
Yeah.
utilization. You will do utilization.
Huh?
I'm just asking what and all you do in floor plan stage.
With the
We
help
need to
of
place
this
we
data
need
flow
to place
diagram,
five
we
ports.
try to place our macros. Yeah, go ahead.
We first we
Okay.
need to place ports, IO ports, and after that macros.
Okay.
And halo around the macros and pre-placement cells like encap cells and well-tap cells placed.
Okay. What else?
And
Tell me in detail.
if any notches were there, we will place hard blockage for that.
Okay, like the place
What and all
in if
parameters we consider?
in placements, like we can place blockages.
Yeah, I'm in floor plan stage. I'm in floor plan stage.
Yeah, in floor plan only you can place blockages.
Soft blockage between
Yeah.
Macros and
and hard blockage
blockages.
notches.
Yeah, blockages. Then
Okay.
region fence, creating the fence, like which all the cells should not see it, partial blockage, everything.
Okay. Blockage is okay, fine. We will consider it as one part. Blockage we will do. As you told, like IO placement also will do, macro placement also will do. Whatever what else?
We create bounds in the same floor plan. We can place all the after blockages. If you want to, example, if my design is having ISO cells,
Jadav, you
isolation cell. Can you hear me?
yeah, Jadav, you told you will create bounds
Exactly.
in the floor plan stage.
Yeah, because depend on not in floor plan stage. Depend on the flow flush. As I told you, depend on floor plan. Once we check which are
Just
the
I am
cells
asking
and
in floor plan stage.
Like we can create the regions, fence, everything. Hard
Yeah,
blockages and
why
soft.
you were creating here itself? Okay, blockages is apart. Okay, fine. Blockage is fine. What about this bound and all?
I
You are
don't know about
mentioning
bound.
bounds. Why we are
No, no,
using floor plan states?
no. I'm speaking about region,
Yeah,
like
someone
region
said.
fence. Jaydev, I think.
Region. Wow, that is what. That is what. Sai, you told
Yeah, yeah.
region. Why we are creating that region?
Region or fence, because like when we get into flop delay, like into reg delay, so that we can say that this many cells should be placed in this region only, so that we might
Yeah, yeah.
reduce the.
I'm in floor plan state now. Still, yeah. Till I am in floor plan stage. I'm just. My question is, what and all you do in floor plan stage? Only floor plan stage. I didn't went to till placement.
Oh, okay.
First of all, we have to set the library files, input library files.
Yeah.
Then
Correct. This is what I am
aspect
expecting.
ratio, we have to fix the height and width of the core area. And then
Yes.
we have to place the IO pads. Then we have to place the macros based on the
Yes.
data fly lines, based on the connection between the macros and connection to the pins, I mean ports. And we have to place the macros at the edge of the core area. And then we can provide
Okay.
blockages between the macros.
Okay. Naveen, thank you. You said we are going to place macros in edge of the core area, right? Why?
Yes.
Placing at the core area
So
means it
when we place the macros at the edge of the core area, there will be airdrop for the macro will be less.
Actually,
Yeah.
no. Actually, no. Like, airdrop may consider wherever we want. Like, if you place in middle, also it might occur, because to overcome the congestion, we place the macros at the end of the boundary, because like.
Are considering two parameters. One is congestion and one is airdrop.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fine,
priority is congestion. Next, we will come to airdrop. Likewise, that's why we are placing macro near this boundary. Okay, I am going for the next question. Why do you place IO buffers? What is the need of IO buffers? Can I repeat it again? Question. Question is something like, why did you place IO buffer? What is the need of IO buffer?
What is need of IO buffer?
Yeah. What is the need of IO buffer?
Actually, don't know. I don't know, sir.
I'm going for the next question. What all physical cells did you placed in your design, and why?
End cap cells and well tap cells.
Tab cells, okay. End cap cells, okay. Why we are placing?
End cap cells are used to avoid cell damage during application and to provide NL continuity to the standard cells at the end of row.
To overcome latch up error, we place tap cells.
To overcome latch up, we are placing
yes, correct.
tap cells in a regular manner.
Yeah. Then we place corner cells.
Yeah, okay.
And end cap cells. end cap cells is for like it acts like a battery in our chip. If any in our chip, if any of the part is power hungry, we place end cap cells so that if additional power is needed, end cap cells will provide.
No.
No, end cap
Sai,
cells.
you told end capsules.
That is D capital actually.
That is
The
D.
D capsules you are
and is
talking
D.
about.
Yeah, sorry, sir. Yeah, it's D capsules. Yeah.
So end
Yeah.
capsule we just because during fabrication what happens, we might get logic etching will be there. So to avoid the etching of our
Yeah.
standard cell logic, we place the end cap cell. That is one thing. And one more thing, during routing, we might get DRC's error. To avoid those DRC, we put end capsules throughout the macros. That is one thing. These two things I just know.
Capsule it is used.
Can you repeat once again?
What is caps? Why it is used?
Actually, we
Your
can't
audio is
hear you.
breaking.
Your voice is breaking.
Yeah. What is D capsule and why it is used? Am I
means
clear?
it is a temporary capacitor. Decapsule means it is a temporary capacitor. It is placed between power rail and ground rail to encounter toward dynamic air drop.
To overcome dynamic air drop. Okay, this one is why is what is decap?
Decap and decoupling capacitor.
Yeah, decoupling capacity. I know decoupling capacity. So that is what is
If any-
decoupling
if any-
capacity?
If any extra charge is coming,
What
it will
will
try to detergent. It contains P mass and mass in coupled manner.
Okay. Next, I'm going for the next question. Oh, what is the use of space cells? You heard about space cells, right? You guys heard about space cells? What is space cell?
After completion of base depot, if you want any extra functionality, for that we don't want we don't want any channel to site. At that time, for extra functionality, we are using space cell. After ECO.
Okay. When we are going to use this?
After ECOs.
During functional
After
issues, when we need to
Yes.
change any changes in our functionality of our design, apart from doing all those again and again, all those from starting to end, we can just use this what you call spare cells and make it as use as logic cells, so that we can avoid the time and functionality and chip utilize whatever the chip what you can cost and on. It won't affect more. That is why we use spare cells.
Yeah, correct, Jadhav. What do you do in the placement stage? I mean, what kind of fixes you will do? What are the
So
things?
basically,
you do in the
it's
placement
like
stage?
it's have like we all know that it's like core. We start with course placement, track alignment, and detailed placement. We'll do. So initially we'll do like initial placement. Again we do HFN like high finite synthesis. Then place opt. Then place all those steps we take care. Okay. So in between what we'll do, there are 2 or 3 stages are there depending on the company flows, the number of stages where we are saving our blocks, and we are going to check how our congestion looking from compared to previous iteration. So once our iteration is showing some good result, we proceed with that result. Again, with that result, we check on how we are going to adjust our blockages, or we do some macro placement according to that. We try to optimize our congestion. We try to reduce our congestion spots, and meanwhile we can, if we are not able to take care of the cells which are not like as I said you, if in my cell many ISO cells are there, we need to create a bound, and according to that bound we are going to
Yeah.
check what our spots are getting reduced or not. It's all depend on the iteration. We need to take care of iteration. It depends on size of our block. If your size of block, again iteration will show if once it's not like within a single 5 to 6 iteration we can complete this what you call congestion spots. During more than 10 iterations we can just optimize, we can just you know what I can say, like we can get what we want, or the congestion less their designers
Optimize the
like
design.
that. Yeah, optimize the design.
Yeah, optimize the design. Okay.
Main one more thing I want to add, like main thing here what we are doing, once your floor plan is fixed, then we can just adjust our macros, sorry, our blockages. So before that we must sure that what is the channel length we are giving from within our macros. We must know that what are the pins aligned to our macros. Okay, if my macro is not uniformly we are giving the channel length, simply if I say give the channel length of 10 20 micron 30 micron horizontally or vertically respectively, whatever we can as per design, it's not same throughout the design. Different macros have different channel length we need to provide. Depend on that we need to take care of this.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm going for the next question. What other things did you use other than blockage in placement stage?
Cell padding technique. The condition is due to fin density means like AOA cells, those cells have not pin accessibility, right? Pin accessibility is impossible. So at the time you're creating cell padding to those cells. The condition due to cell density means we are applying partial blockage.
Okay.
If the timing is not meaning, timing is varying means we are applying path loops.
Yeah. Okay, fine. I'm going for the next question. Other than setup timing, what else did you fix in the placement stage?
DRVs, TRAN.
Yeah, okay, DRV, okay. Then,
DRVs, condition, right? Condition.
yeah, okay.
So after placement we do some base DRCs clean. We try to fix some base DRC. Is that the same question you asked?
Actually, we clean DRVs.
No, we are fixing logical DRVs in placement stage and congestion.